Hey there, business owners. Summer might be over, but your busy season doesn't have to be. If you're experiencing a bit of a slowdown in your business right now, we can help you with that. We've helped so many businesses just like yours get a consistent flow of leads all year round, and we know we can do the same thing for you. If you want to stop relying on word of mouth and grow your business with a steady flow of leads, this is an opportunity for you. I'm Eric Haskin, a seasoned digital marketer and founder of Leadsman Marketing. Our company manages over $1 million a month in ad spend, along with several other services. We help our customers turn their marketing dollars and their business into a profit-generating machine by getting them more replacements, more appointments, and more sales opportunities. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, book a call with us now.